Legs. Okay. After I will say bunnies. Bunnies! Why are you laughing?
Yes, bunnies.
Mommy, next.
No, we're going to eat na. So, you're done phrasing number 1.
Tracing number 1.
So, tomorrow, you're gonna trace
Number 2.
2. Very good.
I am the mother of Godzilla.
You're the mother of Godzilla? I am Godzilla.
Bye bye.